Planet Earth has been spinning since its birth 4.5 billion years ago. It was made from rubble that was left over when the Sun formed from the collapse of a huge cloud of matter. The Earth continued to circle the Sun and spin after it was formed, and is going to spin like this for a long while to come. The reason Earth keeps spinning is because there is hardly anything to stop it. If you spin a roundabout in a playground and let it go, eventually it will come to a stop. This is because as it spins, the air and the surface of the playground are pushing against it, causing friction and slowing it down. The Earth is spinning in space, which is pretty much empty. In space, there is not even air to push against and slow down the Earth's spin. However, there is one thing that slows down the Earth's spin: the Moon. The motion of the side of the Earth facing the Moon is not balanced perfectly by gravity, and neither is the side of Earth facing away from the Moon. This imbalance creates the ocean tides, which make the oceans bulge out on either side of the Earth. The only thing that could stop the Earth's spin would be if another planet crashed into it. Even if this happened, it is more likely that it would change the way Earth spins, not stop it altogether. If the Earth stopped spinning, you wouldn't suddenly be launched off into space. Gravity would still keep you firmly on the ground. There would be lots of changes though. A day would last half a year, and so would the night. It could warm up much more during the day and cool down much more during the night. This would affect the climate on Earth. The core of the Earth is partly molten iron. The spinning motion of the Earth turns this molten iron into a magnet and gives the Earth a magnetic field. This protects us against harmful radiations which come from particles from the Sun and cosmic rays from outside the solar system. While the magnetic field stops the radiation from reaching us, it hits the Earth's atmosphere and we see it as the aurora, the northern or southern lights. Some birds use the magnetic field to find their way, so without the Earth spinning, they would get lost. If the Earth didn't spin, the night sky would always show the same constellations of stars, because you would always be looking out into space in the same direction. This is very different from seeing the stars rise and set during the night, and seeing different constellations at different times of the year. If the planet stopped spinning, it would greatly change the way air currents move. The wind patterns we see today play a significant role in driving rainfall and temperatures around the globe. Any changes to air currents could result in deserts blooming where forests currently stand. There are some planets that appear to not rotate, something astronomers refer to as tidal locking. The Moon is a good example of tidal locking. We only see one side of the Moon, no matter where it is in the sky or what phase it is in, because it's tidally locked to Earth. To conclude, science is an evolution. Mankind will continue to find answers and reasons for life's existence. What will remain mysterious is the existence of the superpower which controls our lives, our world, the universe, galaxies, and the afterlife. The one who knows all is the Almighty, our God.